Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Modern Warships. So actually the last video was popular and all according to me. So I am posting part 2 of this series. So let's get started on playing this. If I win 2 rounds in this, you should smash that subscribe button and like buttons. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers. Actually, there is this new backdrop behind. If you see the last video, and you will notice that this is like Christmas, like small update. Now I'm starting. I got little 2 upgrades. Now I'm upgrading my ship. Upgrade my ship. Yep. This actually failed for me. Yeah, fail. I'm very sad. Actually, now I'm going to try maneuverability. Maneuverability. Success! Yes! Now let's start jumping into the game. Actually, I think this is a great update, so I'm going to battle anyways. Waiting to spawn. Yes, spawn. So this is actually the Arctic map, one of my favorite maps because there is a lot of hiding places in this. So this is the. I hope I don't sink like the legendary Titanic did, and that ship did not really survive, I guess. Now we're going full speed. So where is the enemies? Oh, you can see. So now let's start doing it. The Arctic almost crashed. I got spotted, it said, but I'm not nearly there. And I saw this guy just appeared out of nowhere. Get it! Get it! Just die! Just die! Die! You shall die. And my ship is actually doing pretty well in this and all. Yeah, it is doing really well. Yeah, very well. Look at its health. Oh no. No. I need to run away because my health is low, so that I will die. I'll die. Adam, please, no. Why? Why? Tell me why. You saw that, guys? I dodged some bullets. I mean missiles even. I'm shooting this guy. Hey yo, go down. I'm trying to shoot this guy down. This guy with my bullets and all. Let me heal actually. Let me heal. Let me heal. Let me heal. Let me heal. Yeah. I'm actually pro in this game now. I'm a pro in this game. I'm a pro. Still fast. I'm still fast ship. That red ship is like SOS, I'm going to die. But a smaller ship. By a smaller ship. Oh yeah, you went down. Now I hope I don't hit that ship. Yep, always. And the same ship which I saw earlier, there is only one guy now. So guys, I destroyed 2 targets. Now, why my ship just stopped? Helicopter. I thought that was actually a submarine going down but actually it was like something. Otis. Otis is here. Otis shall die. Otis. Otis. Oh my god, Otis. Don't. You shall die. Missile battery. Actually, I don't know why it's called battery. Die. Actually, I think it just missed. Fast boy. I'm so fast boy. Destroy that iceberg. Destroy it. Ho 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 ho. Actually, the Titanic should have had guns so that it could destroy Titanic, not the iceberg. Like missiles, I'm telling. Yes, die, die, die. You shall die. Yes, we won. My team won. Look, guys, I have tons of money now. Lots of money. Money, 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 money. Now the next round. I shall win in this round too. Okay, spawned in. Here it's also snowing. Here it's also snowing. Now here it's also snowing. I am searching for people who are my enemies. Don't watch your dip, bro. Watch your dip. Don't hit me. I want to go there to kill one enemy. Let me go. Why won't you just stop? Let me just go. Keep way for smaller people because I'm small ship and he's big ship. That minds. Yeah, give me space. Now get out of here. Yeah, boys. Kill that ship. I shall give some missile batteries to it. I don't know why it's called battery. I think the missiles inside it's like full of batteries. And the batteries when it hits it like explode. Go, go, go. Fast. I'm fast. I'm fast. Let me kill this guy. Let me kill him. Kill him with all my weapons. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him with my torpedoes. Kill him with all my thingies. Thingalabobs. My battery. Why my ship stopped? Why? Start going, you dumb ship. You dumb. Why aren't you going? No. Why? Why aren't you going? Yeah, nice. Nice. Why was my ship not going that time? I almost died there. But still I'm a pro. That's why I didn't die. I didn't die. I didn't die. At all. I'm not using the helicopter also. Not that much actually. Look. Ratter. More like rat. You rat. Come here. Let me kill you. No. You rat shall die. Rat shall die for everything. Rat shall die. This rat eating my cheese. Eating my cheese. Cheese. Burger. You rat go. Yeah, boys. Now going to save my other friends. Start firing at him. Start firing at him. kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him. I shall kill him. Look at my health. My health is full. I'm dodging bullets also. I'm fast that I'm dodging bullets. Especially not that one. But now my health is full. This is going to be the end. Now I took off my helicopter. Helicopter. After I kill this ship, actually that's all. If you can see in the bar on the top, that is the only ship. That is the only ship I want to kill. Yeah, boys, kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. I shall kill him. I shall kill him. Nobody shall kill him. I shall kill him. Look his health. His health is low. And my all things. I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. Yes. Yeah, boys, I killed him. Yeah, boys, I killed him. So that's all, guys. Smash the subscribe button, like, share, do anything. So this is me doing something. Actually, that's all. Now let me just upgrade my tier. Please link your account something. What will happen if I put ultra graphics? Okay, guys. Okay. What the hell is this? Now, oh my god, the water is more like thinged up, I think. And I like this new scene. So smash the subscribe button, like, share, do any subscribe, like, and help me get to 100 subscribers so that I can do anything. Okay, bye guys.